Okay, what is up, guys? Today we are unboxing Hot Wheels cars. Just a second, folks. I need absolute quiet when
I watched him, don't worry.
I'm sorry. I can't get my parents to quiet down. I'll do it again. I need absolute quiet when I'm recording, okay, folks? Okay, just talk. I'm back, folks. Sorry for the delay. Let's do it. Let's do it to it. Do it. What's it called? In it to win it. Go. Oh, yay! Oh, let's see who this is. It's Boom Car. Hey, I kind of like this model. The smoke and fire. It's like a bicycle. And let's see who the next one is. Indonesia, I think. Hey, there are holes through it. It's a fake brake. You just drag your feet. It's like a street/sport. It's like a street/race car kind of thing. Okay. Now let's get the other one. And then now we got this crazy looking one. Okay. Let's see. It's made in Indonesia. Wait, is this one? No, it's called, the previous one's called Pedal Driver, not Indonesia. It was made in Indonesia. What is, it doesn't say what it is. Okay. I just want my parents to quiet down. Okay, let's try getting the last two in the pack. There's another pack. Okay. Now we have this. This one doesn't say either. It's a crate. I think it's like, what do you call, like bumper cars. That's what they're called. I forgot their name. I'm so smart. Okay, now we have an ice cream truck. This one kind of looks like my collectible one, actually. This one doesn't say either. It's Hot Wheels and Mattel. Okay, let's open the other pack. If I can think to, let's cut the top off. That's not, nope. Okay, 49. These all were, I think all of these together, I bet you all of these cars together would cost at least $10. No, at least $15. Okay. There, we got part of it open. Open the rest. I'm a good scooter kid. How do I? Oh, this. Okay, I'll use scissors now. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see. Hey, don't fall. Oh. Still smells as fresh as new. Okay. Let's see. The yellow car. Gonna read it. Sorry if this one's boring. Lamborghini Gallardo LP564. Okay, let's see this orange, maroonish red, I think, fire engine red. Kind of like my dad's electric guitar. The amplifier's broken. 1990 Acura NSX. Wow. Okay, let's put these. No, the last one of all of the cars I got from our neighbor Russ. Today's my birthday. Oh, this one's a slick one. Okay, let's see. Ford GT. Read. If you know how to read. But if you don't know how to read, like Rerun from the Peanuts, then you don't have to. Ford GTL, I'm not sure if you can see yet. Okay, that's the end of our tour, but it's not the end of our video. Okay, I'm gonna put all the scrap garbage here and the scissors. Is there any more garbage? Oh, yep. Okay. I think I'll just put them on the ground. So, okay, I'll just give you a detour of all the cars at the bottom. My Lego minifig is sleeping, having a chill. There he is, a rock band singer. Here he is. I made my own microphone, like not those basic pieces. Anyways, we're not talking about Lego. We're talking about cars. Just a second, folks. Yes, Mom, I'm filming. Okay. So, I believe we're close. those are all the cars. Goodbye.